Did you know that your financial future might not depend on how much you earn, but rather on the choices you make outside of your paycheck? Imagine making one smart decision today that could set you on the path to financial freedom. What if I told you that there are money decisions more important than your salary? Stick around, because today we're diving into the top 8 money decisions that matter more than how much you earn, and how making the right ones can change your life forever. Let's get started. 1. Who you choose to partner with. One of the most powerful yet overlooked money decisions is who you decide to partner with. The relationship you choose influences not just your emotional life, but also your financial decisions. Think about how shared expenses like rent, bills, and groceries are divided. In healthy partnerships, financial roles are discussed openly, and both partners contribute toward long-term goals. The right partner should support your career goals, empower your financial choices, and work alongside you to build a secure financial future. Whether it's discussing household spending or deciding where to live, having an aligned financial vision with your partner is crucial. 2. Your budgeting approach. It's not just about how much you earn, but about how well you manage what you make. This brings us to budgeting, the foundational step to financial success. Most people think budgeting is restrictive or a hassle, but in reality, it's one of the best ways to take control of your money. A well-organized budget will help you see exactly where your money is going, enable you to cut out unnecessary expenses, and focus on what matters. Start by tracking your spending. This might sound basic, but it's key to understanding your habits. Are you overspending on non-essential items? Could you brew your coffee at home instead of buying it daily? These small adjustments add up. A solid budget allows you to prioritize your goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for retirement, or building an emergency fund. But here's the best part. Once you've mastered budgeting, it's a huge mental relief. You're no longer flying blind with your money. Instead, you have a clear plan that enables you to make informed decisions, and this takes you a step closer to financial independence. The more detailed and consistent your budget is, the more empowered you'll feel to take charge of your finances. 3. The power of saving early. Saving isn't just a habit. It's a strategic move that can make or break your financial future. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through the magic of compound interest. Many people wait until their earnings increase to start saving, but by then, they've missed out on years of growth. You don't need to wait for a salary bump to begin saving. Even setting aside small amounts each month, as little as $50 or $100, can make a big difference over time. Start by automating your savings. If you wait until the end of the month, you may find that you've spent all your money, leaving nothing to save. Instead, automate your savings as soon as you get paid. Set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account or investment fund. This way, you're paying yourself first and saving without even thinking about it. The real trick is consistency. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or retirement, the more consistently you save, the quicker your money will grow. And remember, the earlier you start, the bigger the rewards over time. 4. Investing regularly, no matter your salary. It's easy to think that you need a high salary to invest, but that's simply not true. Investing regularly, even in small amounts, can help you build significant wealth over time. The key is consistency. You don't need to make huge investments. Just start by contributing to your 401k, IRA, or a simple brokerage account each month. The beauty of regular investing is that you can take advantage of dollar cost averaging. This means you're buying into the market at regular intervals, regardless of whether the market is up or down. Over time, this evens out the highs and lows, and you're not worried about timing the market. The more you invest, the more you'll see your wealth compound, especially when you take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs or 401ks. Investing in index funds or ETFs is a great way to get started without needing expert-level knowledge. These funds pool your money into a diversified portfolio of stocks, which reduces risk and increases the potential for steady returns. So, don't wait until you think you have enough money. Start investing today and watch your wealth grow with time. 5. Negotiating your salary. While this might seem obvious, many people fail to negotiate their salary, thinking it's a one-time conversation that doesn't matter much. But your salary plays a huge role in your ability to save, invest, and live comfortably. By negotiating your salary early on and consistently asking for raises as you advance in your career, you'll increase your earning potential significantly over time. Before asking for a raise, do your research. Understand what others in your industry and region are earning, and know the value you bring to your company. When you're ready, approach your boss with a clear case for why you deserve a raise, backed by your accomplishments and the market data. This proactive approach can lead to financial growth that is far more sustainable than hoping for an occasional bonus. Negotiating isn't just about asking for a higher salary. It's also about negotiating for better benefits, more vacation days, or the ability to work remotely. Improved work-life balance can be a major win for your mental health, which in turn can positively affect your financial well-being. 6. Keeping debt under control. One of the quickest ways to stall your financial progress is by allowing debt to grow unchecked. Debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control and take up a large portion of your income, leaving you with less money to save or invest. It's essential to keep debt under control and pay it off as quickly as possible. Start by creating a strategy to tackle your debt. The debt avalanche method focuses on paying off high-interest debts first, which helps you minimize the total amount of interest paid over time. Alternatively, the debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, which can provide a motivational boost as you clear debts one by one. Once your high-interest debt is paid off, redirect the money you were using for debt repayment into your savings or investments. This will free up your financial resources and help you build wealth faster. Remember, paying down debt is not just about reducing liabilities. It's about freeing up money for growth. 7. Tracking your expenses. Knowing where your money goes is essential for financial success. Without tracking your spending, it's easy to overlook small, recurring expenses that add up over time. Tracking your expenses helps you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. You'll be amazed at how much you can save by simply knowing exactly where your money is going each month. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to categorize your expenses and compare them to your income. Once you have an accurate picture of your spending habits, look for areas where you can reduce costs. Maybe you don't need to eat out as much, or perhaps you can switch to a cheaper subscription service. Cutting back on non-essential expenses will free up more money for savings and investments, helping you build wealth more efficiently. 8. Protecting your wealth. Finally, protecting your wealth is just as important as growing it. This means having the right insurance coverage, a solid estate plan, and the necessary legal documents in place. Life is unpredictable, and ensuring that your financial future is protected in case of an emergency, illness, or death will give you peace of mind and financial security. Start by reviewing your insurance coverage. Make sure you have adequate health, auto, and home insurance, as well as life insurance if you have dependents. In addition, create a will and consider setting up a trust to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes after you pass. An estate plan isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to ensure their loved ones are taken care of if something happens. So, there you have it. 8 money decisions that have the potential to transform your financial life. These decisions may not seem related to your salary, but they matter just as much, if not more, when it comes to building long-term wealth. Whether you're choosing a supportive partner, creating a budget, negotiating your salary, or protecting your wealth with insurance and an estate plan, these choices will shape your financial future. Remember, consistent effort and making smart financial decisions are the keys to financial success. It's not about how much you make, but how well you manage it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on more valuable tips to help you achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.